day travelers, welcome to Travel Talk, Mabuhay, where we uncover the forces shaping the way we travel. Have you ever wondered why some countries attract a million of tourists while others struggle? Is, is it all beautiful places or do politics and culture play a role? Well, today we're diving into political and cultural factors affecting tourism. And to help us to explore this exciting topic, we have an amazing panel of experts with us. Let's meet them. First, we have Mr. Kenjo Chalmas, a respected government official who will share insights on travel policies, political stability, and how government influence tourism. Welcome, Governor. Next, we have Ms. Tricia Pistola, an experienced travel expert who has worked in the tourism industry for years. They'll talk about travel advisories, safety concerns, and the importance of infrastructure in tourism. Welcome to the show. Now, let's welcome Ms. Jury Baingan, a dedicated cultural ambassador who promotes tourism through traditions, festivals, and cultural exchanges. They'll be sharing why culture is one of the biggest draws for travelers. Welcome, Ms. Jury. And of course, in today's digital age, social media has a massive impact on travel. That's why we have Mr. Septerfin Mokod, a well-known social media influencer and experienced traveler who traveled 1,000 cities all around the world, who will discuss how online trends shape tourism. Welcome. Great, now that we've met everyone, let's get started. Let's begin with the basics. Mr. Kanju, how do government policies affect tourism? Can you break it down for us?
Oh, well, yes. Well, one of the biggest factors is visa policies and travel restrictions. Countries that offer visa-free or easy visa on arrival services attract more visitors. But if a country has strict visa requirements, tourists may avoid the hassle altogether.
Great point. So, does political stability also play a role?
Well, absolutely. Countries with peace and security attracts more tourists. On the other hand, protests, conflicts, and high crime rates scare tourists away. For example, during political unrest in Hong Kong in 2019, tourism dropped by almost 40%.
Wow, that's a huge impact. Let's ask our travel expert about this. What do you think, Ms. Trisha?
Well, another issue is travel advisories. If governments warn their citizens about safety concerns in a country, it can seriously hurt tourism. For example, when travel bans were issued in Syria, the tourism industry collapsed. On the flip side, good infrastructure like airports, hotels, and roads makes travel smoother and more enjoyable. Countries like Dubai invest heavily in world-class airports and luxury resorts, making them top tourist destinations.
That makes sense, but what about culture? We'll be back in a minute.
Ma,
Oo?
ampun po ba ako?
Ha? Sino naman nagsabi sa'yo niyan?
Now that that we are back, let's ask the cultural expert and social media influencer on how culture affects tourism.
Well, culture is everything in tourism. People love exploring new traditions, festivals, and food. Think about Japan's cherry blossom festivals or Brazil's carnival. They attract millions every year.
That's a great point. And speaking of cultural experience, food tourism is huge. Have you ever traveled just for food?
Absolutely yes. Food is a major reason people travel. Italy's pizza, Thailand's street food, Japan's sushi, these are all tourist magnets.
And social media is a game changer. One Instagram post can make a hidden beach famous overnight. Just look at Bali's Nuda Penida. It was unknown until influencers started posting about it. And I once went to a hidden gem from TikTok, but it was packed with tourists taking the same Instagram photos. That's why government needs sustainable tourism plans to protect destination from over-tourism.
We've covered a lot today, from government policies to cultural traditions to social media trends. Before we wrap up, let's hear from each guest.
Respect local cultures, enjoy festivals, and explore authentic food.
Travel smart, don't believe everything you see online. And do your research before traveling and just enjoy the experience.
Safety and infrastructure investment are key to attracting tourists.
Tourism and good policies, strong security, and easy travel access.
And with that, we wrap up today's episode of Travel Talk. Thank you to our guests and to you, our listeners. See you next time.
Over.